Hello students, welcome back. In this session we are going to discuss orthographic positions of plane inclined to both planes. I am considering a question from exercise 10b, that is 10.8. A square lamina of diagonal 60 mm is parallel to HP and inclined at 30 degrees to the VP. One of the diagonal is parallel to HP and it is inclined to VP. The other diagonals of the lamina is inclined at 45 degrees to the HP, draws its projection. Let me extract the given data from the question, and this is exercise 10b, problem number 10.8, orthographic projections of plane inclined to both planes, that is both HP and VP. Let me write down the given data from the question what I have just read. Square plane diagonal 60 mm parallel to HP, means one of the diagonal is parallel to HP and inclined at 30 degrees to VP, means we can take phi is equal to 20 degrees, and other diagonal of the lamina is inclined at 45 degrees to HP, that is theta. Draw its projections. So let's start the problem. So this is a three-stage problem. In the first we have to assume one of the given angle to be 0. I am assuming this theta is equal to 0, so I can draw the true shape of the square on the top view, because whatever angle that we make to the HP, the true shape can be seen on top, that is on HP, so that comes top view. So I'll be drawing the diagonal of the given figure. The dimension of the square plane is not given, only the diagonal is given. So I am drawing the true shape of the square, that is diagonal 60. Because in this direction I can show the diagonal very easily. This diagonal is 60. Why I am taking a corner resting type of figure? Because the diagonals are parallel to HP, means now I can show this diagonal is parallel to HP. Suppose this is HP, this is VP and this is HP. Now I can show this diagonal parallel to HP. In this condition I can't show because the diagonal would be in this manner. So again I have to tilt the figure. So already I have drawn the figure with this tilt orientation. Now the diagonal is parallel to HP and parallel to VP. In another condition, one of the diagonals should be parallel to the VP and one of the diagonal is inclined at 45 degrees or 30 degrees to the VP. So I'll be taking the condition like this: A, B, C, D. I'll be projecting this up. Now it is not resting on the HP, so I'll be taking this figure a little bit above the reference line. A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash. This is 1, this is 2. This is stage 1 where you got the true shape and apparent front view. Now I'll be tilting this for the 45 degrees. Just I'll draw a reference line over here. On that reference line I'll make 45 degrees inclination, and I'll draw an array. This line is 45 degrees to the HP theta is equal to 45 degrees, right? I can measure this line and I can draw here. So these 3 points, A dash, B dash, D dash and C dash. Let me darken this. Okay. Now I'll be projecting that down for respective top view. This is the front view and now I'm taking the top view. Okay, now I'll project this side. So I got the intersection of front view projectors and top view projectors. These are the projectors, right? This is A, B, C, D. So coming to this one, the difference here, it is the figure is little bit compressed with AC diagonal. Right. Next, I'll tilt this AC diagonal 30 degrees with respect to x5. Right. I have to reproduce the same figure over here. Now I'll be taking 30 degrees of the line. 30 degrees I have kept this graph like this. Phi is 30 degrees and I'll reproduce this figure over here. I'll take the A over here and I'll measure this AC and I'll draw here. This is C and from AD I'll draw an arc. From C also I'll draw an arc. So this point is D and this point is B. Let me finish that. Now I'll project this up for the front view. And from the front I'll draw the side projectors. Now I can find the intersection of that A and A dash. This would be A dash. B, B dash. This would be B dash. D, D dash. This would be D dash. And C, C dash. This would be C dash. Now in the question that is given that square plane diagonal 60 diagonal parallel to HP and inclined at 30 degrees to the VP. See here, this diagonal is inclined at 30 degrees to the VP and that is parallel to the HP. So this is parallel to the HP and this is falling over here. BD, right? This BD is always parallel to the HP itself. This diagonal is parallel to HP. So this is stage 1, this is stage 2, and this is stage 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So by 6 figures we can solve these type of problems. So I hope everyone understand how to draw these type of problems. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel and follow it regularly for updates in engineering drawing.